Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the image and confirming RGB 8-bit mode because color math behaves predictably there. Once the file is ready, duplicate the background with Ctrl+J so you keep the original untouched. You should convert the copy to a smart object to preserve editability. This lets you adjust or remove inversion later. Make sure no active selection limits the effect. If needed, press Ctrl+D to deselect. Now you're set to apply inversion without harming the master file. You can invert the whole layer quickly with Ctrl+I or through Image Adjustments Invert. This flips RGB values to their complements. For non-destructive work, add an invert adjustment layer. This lets you lower opacity or change blending modes to taste. If you only want certain areas inverted, add a layer mask and paint with black/white to hide or reveal the inversion. Once done, experiment with blend modes like luminosity to preserve brightness while changing hues. When you're satisfied, export with File Export as to choose Format and Color Profile. Keep the smart object if you want later edits. Make sure to convert to 8-bit RGB if colors seem off, because 16-bit or index modes can alter inversion results. If inversion appears not to work, inspect for an active selection, hidden layers, locked transparency, or channels. One quick tip: disable adjustment layer clipping masks and reapply the invert to confirm the effect is.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.